Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how you can perform some ifs in Microsoft Excel. So I say some ifs, not some if. Some ifs give you the authority to give as many criteria as possible, and some those if it is the salary, age, or anything that is summable. So we're going to use this type of data, which is an employee data set. And of course, it has the employee ID, the name, the gender, the department, the job title, and then the county, salary, and performance. So we're going to start with the salary by summing the salary of those people who are from the Department of IT. So we are going to choose the cursor where we want to place the cursor or the formula in. So and then we click equal to and then sum ifs. So the sum range is the salary, and the criteria is the department. And which department? IT. IT is a text, so we are going to place it in a quoted what? And then okay, so we have 264,000. Let's confirm. So for the person who is in IT is one is this. Let's confirm. The other one is this. The other one is this. Let's see if we are going to get that. So we are correct. We can also say sum ifs. We want to sum the salary of the job titles, and the job title we want to look at the M&E officer. Sorry. So we want this department. Sorry. The sum range is this, the salary. The job title is this, and we want people the M&E officer. So 92. How many people were the M&E officers? So we have only one person. So we can also maybe want the salary, the sum salary of the female. So sum ifs, the summary range is this. The criteria is the gender, and we want only females. So it's 544,000. Let's confirm. We're going to filter this, the females, and see if we are going to get the same value. So it's true. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's how you can do your sum ifs and do a lot of calculation.